Yola Vlog Series. Jangan lupa subscribe ya guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my Viola YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be open this mom and babies. This is never been open my life in 100 hours. Alright. I wanna see what's inside, but let's check it out and boom baby. Wow! So the first one, if you have to wash and the pet will dry it and the room, and what is it? It's gonna be a girl or a boy. Let's find it out. I want a girl, not a boy. Alright, look. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that.
What is that?
That's a mom and baby's catties. He's so cute. So guys, let's open. So there's a button. Say open here. Look. Oh. Let's open and 1, 2, 3. So hard.
Can you open it by yourself?
Yes. Guys, my mom helped me to open this up and let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh my goodness.
It's so cute. What is that?
What is the baby? This is the baby. Oh my god. Oh, what is this? Oh, let's see what's inside that, okay? Oh yeah, if you have a son, boy or girl, let's see what is it. Oh. This is a carefully dot. Ta-da! This is what inside. Look at it, so cute. Wait over here. And I don't know, is this the baby or not? This baby inside there, I don't know. I think let's open this first. And there's the paws and the hot water and cool water. And I think I'm gonna open this now. Okay.
I think you have to step by step, Yola.
Okay, step by step first. Alright guys, I will open this.
What is that?
Let's open it and 1, 2, 3. Come on, go up, get up.
Okay.
Oh my god. A baby cat. Baby cat.
So guys, Yola have to doing step by step in there. Like the first step, you have to wash. This is the warm water. And then pitch refill. We have to guess it's girl or boy. And then we can dry with hair dryer and we can see what is that inside, right?
Alright guys, let's go to the bedroom.
Yes.
Right now I'm in a hotel, so hey guys, now I'm inside the bathroom. Let's go warm this little go. Okay guys, this is the hot water. We're gonna put it in 1, 2, 3. Ooh, so hot. Come on, my baby. I'm gonna put it down. Oh my god.
Wow, yeah. You have to. Oh, it's so cute.
I like it. What's mom like this? What's mom doing?
Let's go.
Hey, look at the baby.
Hey, you have to wash everyone. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, I need girl.
Yes, it's boy. You have to too. You have to. Oh, be careful, be careful. Okay, I didn't know.
2 babies. Oh my god, this one is a girl. Look at the heart. This one is a boy.
The mom is
Look at the
tyrant.
look at the
The mom
look
is
at the
tyrant.
mom. Look at the mom.
The mom is tyrant, Yola.
Hey, don't go, baby.
We have to. Ooh.
It's the cup.
Guys, the mom is after birth.
Look, it's drinking. It's drinking.
Ooh.
And the sister drinking. Look.
Ooh, we have to baby.
We have to dry it and then we have to go like this.
Guys, now I will. Yola, can you help me to dry this? No? You have to press the button, not there, in there. Yes. And then you have to. Ooh. guys. Okay, you have to dunk. Oh, panas. Panas.
Quick.